Hello students, welcome back. Today we'll discuss about right align pattern. Right align pattern means a pattern where all the numbers are in the sequence from the right side. Like in this pattern you can see all fives are in the same sequence from the right side and beginning there is a space. So how to write program for right align pattern? Basically three loops are required for all right align patterns. In that outer loop will represent row. Inner loop first will represent the space and the second loop will represent actual printing. So let us design this program. In this program you can see in the first line there are 4 spaces. So that's why we take a variable to maintain the space. S is equal to 4. Why? Because in first line 4 spaces there. After that you can see the vertical change in the pattern 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means the first loop should print numbers from 5 to 1. So that's why here we are running the first loop 5 to 0 in decrement order. As you know 5 to 0 means the loop will run up to 1. Now the second loop is for the space. So here 1 to s plus 1. S value is 4. So 1 to 5 means total 4 time loop will run and it will leave 4 spaces in the first line. So this loop is for the space. Now the third loop is for actual printing. You can see the relation in horizontal series. Here 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means every line is beginning from I and ending at 5. So that's why the loop is from I to 6. As you know 6 means it will print up to 5. So here we are leaving a space, but here no space is required, just empty string, and here print for changing the line, and s is equal to s minus 1. Why s is equal to s minus 1? Because in first line 4 spaces there and in second line 3 spaces there. So to maintain the space we have to update the value of s. So this is the one example. Now let us take another example. Suppose if the pattern is like this way 1 3 1 5 3 1 7 5 3 1 9 7 5 3 1. So in this again you can see there are 4 spaces, so space value is required for, and the vertical change here 1 3 5 7 9. That means the loop should go from 1 to 9. So if we want to print 1 to 9, that means the first loop should run from 1 to 10. So let us see the program. S is 4 because space, then for I in range 1 to 10 colon 2. Okay, that means it is going from 1 to 10 in gap of 2. So up to 9, it will print the numbers up to 9. Now j in range 1 comma s plus 1. You can see the space is similar as a previous pattern. So that's why the loop is also same. 1 to s plus 1. That means it will leave 4 space. Now the actual printing you see here 1 3 1 5 3 1 7 5 3 1 9 7 5 3 1. That means every line is beginning from I ending at 1 in decrement order. So that's why this loop k is beginning from I to 0. Why I to 0? I to 0 means it will print up to 1 and in gap of minus 2. Print of k and here empty string. Change of line and space updated by 1. Now let us take one alphabet example. Another pattern ABCD, BCD, CD, D and E. Here E is in the same sequence. This is also right aligned, but here how it is changed from different from the previous one. Here space is increasing. In first line there is no space, then space is increasing. So in this program the space initial value will be 0. So here you can see vertical change A to E. That means as you know the ASCII value of A is 65 and ASCII value of capital A is 69. So that means the first loop will go from 65 to 70 because up to E we have to print. So it will go one extra as you know. So and space initial value is 0 here. The space initial value is 0. The loop will begin I in range 65 to 70. 65 to 70 means it will go up to 69. That is the capital E. Then second loop is 1 to S. The loop is same, only initial value of S is different. First time the loop will not run because 1 to 0 it is not possible to run. That's why it will not leave any space. Now the third loop is for actual printing I to 70. How? This line is beginning from A to E, B to E, C to E. That means every line is beginning from I, ending at E. E means 69, so that means the loop should go up to 70. So this loop is running I to 70 in increment order. As you know, if we don't write any update, so by default there is an update of +1. And here why CHR of K? Because currently it is ASCII value and we have to convert into character form. So CHR is a library function for converting ASCII into character form. CHR of K, and here empty string, print change all line, and S is equal to S plus 1 because now update is increment. Why? Because the space is increasing. So I hope with the help of this 3 example now it is clear. So thank you.